Welcome to this class. This is JSS 2 Maths. We're moving on to lesson 11. So in lesson 10, we have seen how to round off numbers to the nearest thousand, hundred, tens, and now we are moving on to the next rounding off of numbers. This time around we'll be rounding off numbers to the nearest whole number, tenth and hundredth with th. Rounding off numbers to the nearest one whole number, to the nearest whole number, two to the nearest tenth, three to the nearest hundred. Yes, we want to see how to round off numbers to the nearest whole number, tenth and hundred. Let's have few examples to explain this. Example 1. Round off the following to the nearest one whole number, two tenth, three hundred. Question 1. 2.517. 2.517. Please see what I'm going to be doing here. I want to round this number first of all to the nearest whole number. When we're talking about whole number, we're talking about the number before the decimal. This is the whole number here. So since this is the whole number, this is your target. You look at the next number after it. If the next number is up to 5 or anything above 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you round this one up. If this number is 5 and above. But if the next number after that is the next number after this 2, that is this very number, is 4 and below, this number will remain the way it is. If you get what I just finished saying, it will be very easier for you. Now that this number is 5, you round this one up. So to the nearest whole number, this will now be 3. These two have become 3. And then this is our decimal. This is the decimal. Then everything here will be 0, 0, 0. It will be 0, 0, 0. I've turned it to 0. And 3.000 and 3 is the same thing. That's our answer. To the nearest whole number is 3. Let's go to the second one. To the nearest tenth. Tenth is the next number after decimal. If you have a decimal, the next number after decimal is tenth. So this is our target. Since this is our target, you check the next number after it. If the next number after it is 5 or anything above 5, then you round your target up, you round it up if the next number is 5 or anything above 5. But if it is anything below 5, that is from 4 downward, it will remain like that. So you can see the number we have here. What's the number here? 1. So this 5 will remain like that. So our answer will be 2.500. Answer will be 2.500. And 2.500 is still the same thing as 2.5. 2.500 is still the same thing as 2.5. Let's go to the third one, to the nearest 100. What do we mean by 100? 100 is the next two numbers after the decimal. 1, 2. This is 100. This is our target now. Since this is our target, we'll check the next number after it. If the next number is 5 or anything above 5, we'll round our target up. But if it is anything below 5, it will remain the way it is. So what's the number here? The number here is 7. So we're rounding this one up to become 2. So our answer will be 2.520. Our answer will be 2.520. 2.520, which is also the same thing as 2.52. This is to the nearest 100. So we rounded this to the nearest whole number. This is to the nearest tenth, and this is to the nearest 100. If you get this explanation, it's the same explanation for all our solving under this topic. Let's try another example, example 2. Example 2, let's round this number. Let's round 7.994. 7.994 to the nearest whole number, tenths, and 100. The same thing we are going to do. This is the whole number part of our work. You check the next number after it. The next number is 5 and above, you round it up, which of course it's more than 5. So this one will be rounded up, this 7 will become 8. So this will be 8.000, and 8.000 and 8 is the same thing. To the nearest tenth, please watch out. Tenth is the next number after decimal. So you check the next number after it. If it is 5 or anything above 5, you will round this one up, which of course it is. So if you round this one up, you round this 9 up, the 9 will become 10. You write the 0 and take that the 1 from the 0, the 1 from the 10, you take it to this very one. So it will still be 8.000. To the nearest tenth, it will still be 8.000, which is equal to 8. Take note of this work. To the nearest 10, this is our 10. You check the next number. If it is 5 and above, you round this one up. If you round 9 up, it will become 10. And you can't write 10 here. So you write 0 and carry 1. You carry 1 to the next one, to this whole number side. This one now become 8. That is what is making these answers to be having the same kind of figures. And lastly, to the nearest 100. This is the 100 part here. 100 is the next two numbers after the decimal. Then you check the next number. If it is 5 and above, if it is 5 and above, you round it up. If it is below 5, it will remain like that. So So this is 4, which is not up to 5. So this 9 will remain like that. So our answer will be 7.990. Our answer will be 7.990. And 7.990 is the same thing as 7.99. And that's our answer. Let's try one more example. Example 3. Let's round 3.125. 3.125. 1, 2, 3. We'll round it to the nearest whole number, to the nearest tenth, and to the nearest hundred. To the nearest whole number, this is the whole number part. Check the next number. If it is 5 and above, you will round this one up. But if it is not up to 5, it remains like that, which of course is not up to 5, because what we have here is 1. So this one will remain 3.000. Our answer is 3.000, which is equal to 3. To the nearest tenth part is this number after the decimal. Tenth is the first number after the decimal. Then check the next number after it. If it is 5 and above, you round it up, which of course this number is not up to 5, so this one will remain as 1. So our answer is 3.100. 3.100, which is the same thing as 3.1. Lastly, to the nearest 100. 100 is the next two numbers after the decimal. Then you check the next number after it if it is 5 and above, which of course it is. So you will round this one up. From 2 it will become 3. So answer will be 3.130. 3.130. And 3.130 is the same thing as 3.13. So that's our answer. We are going to stop here. Let me give you assignments to do. Round off the number. Round off to the nearest 1 whole number, 2 tenths, 3 100. Question number 1. Round 0.945. Question number 2. Round 0.493. And the last question, question number 3, round 9.507. Round each of them to the nearest whole number, tenth, and 100. Thank you and have a nice day.